Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Techland. Today I'm gonna show you how you can change the simple seamless background to something more creative. We have our simple portrait. Pick the background color using the color picker tool. Then go to select subject, and sometimes it takes a bit of moment to select the subject. Now press Ctrl J on your keyboard and you can see a new layer has been created. Uncheck the bottom layer or simply you can just delete it. Now copy the desired background, or if you have a photo then use it, and you might have to resize sometimes. Then put the background in the bottom layer. But you can see the face has a bit of yellow, so that's why we will create another new layer and put the color yellow. Then you have to blend the color. You have different options and you can choose whatever feels right. Then to put the creativeness a bit higher, you have to click filter, then choose distort, pinch, or you can choose other distortion, and that's it. You can now play around with different portraits. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it.